Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you want to design and build a beautiful website, you can do it all in one place with Squarespace. Welcome to another studio vlog. This week I will be working on making everything better. That's so nondescript. Basically, I want to focus on updating my website, making it something that I update more often, making it something that really represents my work better than it does because it's so out of date because I just am so lazy. So basically, I want to work on redoing my newsletter for this year, and I also want to create a new sketchbook section on my website. So we're going to be doing that. This isn't an ad for Squarespace. I genuinely just have to do this, and I use Squarespace. So yeah, let's do it. Newsletter for first one for 2019. I really love it. It's a lot of text out here. Maybe I should edit it, but I'm really excited to share it with you guys. I'm not going to send this newsletter out yet. I want to make like a sketchbook section on my website where I just dump scans of my sketchbooks every so often and stuff. I might not get it finished tonight because I don't want to spend all night doing it, and it's already like 8 o'clock. So this took ages, but I am finished, and now I'm going to make a page for my sketchbook stuff. I'm going to keep it private for now and also put a password on it because I think I want to only make it available for people that subscribe to my newsletter. Almost like a blog page. Disabled. And now we can start working on it without fearing that someone's going to see it halfway through. We're going to start with the spreads from my London sketchbook because it was just sitting here, so I thought that'd be a good one to start with. Just created like a new blog. Let's see how this looks. Today I'm having my first meeting with Chris for the year. I'm really excited about that. I want to redesign the logo for my website. At the moment it's a little house which I really like, but I wanted to say Furry Little Peach, so I might do something based off of that. I did not film anything yesterday, so sorry if that little segment was very short. It was just a lot of scanning, a lot of uploading, a lot of stuff that isn't very visually fun. I'm reopening my store today. That's exciting. I've got to do that. I think I might do that now. I'll show you the page that I have on the store at the moment because we closed it for the holidays because Chris was away, so no one was there to pack the store. So right now it has like a little message that says store opens Jan 9th, and today it is Jan 9th. So now we can get rid of this. Delete. So we're going to enable it and we're going to make it store, and it should be Dansos. Yay! I need to order some more books actually. After I have a meeting with Chris, I'm going to be creating a new logo. It's going to be very similar, but it's just going to say Furry Little Peach probably. I freaking love crossing stuff off to-do lists. It's my pleasure in life. This is our little studio visitor, River. She's an angel.
Damn sweetie. Jump! Jump!
And then she always gets a schmacko for the road. just want to show you guys some stuff I got in the mail. You guys are so cute. On Instagram, Ghost and Late Nights, and on Twitter, Late Night Camp, sent me a eraser recommendation with the erasers. It's so cute. I found this eraser. It's the best. And then they just sent me some. I love that. It makes me feel like I'm part of like a secret club. Ruby PH. They sent me an invitation to be friends and to come into their studio at any time, which I love. Some pigments, which is really cool, and a photo of their studio. I love this so much. And a letter. I love getting mail from you guys. It's just very whimsical and like childlike, like having lots of pen pals, you know? No, I can't do the selfie camera zoom on you.
Too bad.
I had a bad day today, guys. He makes me feel good about my problems. I filmed, what was the last thing I filmed? I think I was doing my journal. I don't think I filmed very much today because I felt so bad. Thank you, honey. It was like I was trying to do one of my to-dos and it ended up being so much longer and more complicated and annoying. You know how I love Squarespace, guys? Can I tell you a company I hate? Bluehost. They freaking suck. Bluehost sucks. Everything they do is annoying. Just a series of stressful things, and then I also have PMS, so it's like hard to manage all the stressful things at the same time. So I didn't really get that much done today, and like disappointed in that because the last few days have been really productive for me and I wanted to keep that going and stuff. And then I had a nap for a long time, which I feel a bit bad about, but we're gonna go outside because I haven't been outside today.
She lives in a cave.
Yeah.
And here it is, our humble abode.
So I'm gonna go outside, we're gonna get some dinner, and then hopefully when I come home I can do some work. I don't know. I feel emotional now.
Oh God. Oh, everything okay?
Yeah, I just feel emotional because I feel disappointed in myself.
Why?
Because I wanted to do better today.
You're allowed to have just a slow day. Tomorrow can be a big day.
I know, but
It's
I just
fine.
was really proud of myself for the last few days, and then yesterday, and then today. It was just annoying that I don't know, I just feel annoyed.
It's okay. It's really okay. Plus, we're going to have dinner. We don't go to bed till very late, so you basically still got a full working day ahead of you if you really want.
I just feel overwhelmed by my tasks today. I don't know why.
Yeah. We'll go through them after dinner. Actually, we'll go through them during dinner.
Should I bring my notebook?
Yeah, bring a notebook. I know how much you love lists.
I do. If I don't have lists, I feel lost.
Yeah.
Anyway.
We'll write like so many lists during dinner.
Yay.
You'll be so happy.
Woohoo. Okay, we're going to dinner now. I'm back from dinner with Rocket. I was going to work when I got home, but I think that I should take the night off because I don't feel like... I think it would just be more beneficial and more productive if I take the night off, do some other things like drawing, reading, and then tomorrow feel hopefully more, I don't know what the word is, invigorated, and just chill out a little bit. And then tomorrow I'll get back into it. And there's my cat food for when the stray cats come to our window. When you think your customer service person actually likes your website. You have a wonderful website and I'm impressed. And then I say, oh my God, thank you so much. And then they're like, would you be interested in learning more about how to get your site ranked higher on Google? Boo, boo, I thought you actually were my friend. It's the next day and I finally sent off my peachy post. I'm really happy about that. I feel ready to go. I don't feel like as motivated as I did the first 2 days of the week, but definitely feel better than yesterday. Anyway, the peachy post. So if you guys got it, let me know what you think below. If you didn't get it and you haven't signed up, you're not going to get this edition, so you're going to have to wait till next month, but you can still sign up and get the secret sketchbook club password. Only people with my newsletter can have access to my sketchbook pages at the moment, so get in while you can. Okay, so it's finally time to have a look, whoopsie doodles, to have a look at my website. Well, I guess I'm looking at my website the entire time, to have a look at my portfolio. I had a chat with Chris and showed him what I had done with my website because I changed a little bit of it last year, like the portfolio part, like took out some of the older work and just kind of whittled it down to stuff that's relevant to me now. finish with this vlog, I just wanted to say thank you so much Squarespace for sponsoring this video. This is usually the part of the video where I explain why I love Squarespace, but I feel like I don't need to because you've seen how easy it makes my life. Basically everything that I did on the computer or changing my website or my newsletter, that was all done with Squarespace. It makes it so easy because I genuinely love them and I wholeheartedly recommend them. Go to squarespace.com/furrylittlepeach and you will get a free trial for 2 weeks and a 10% discount if you choose to go forward with Squarespace. Thank you, Squarespace.
Sha'an, do you have to pour from that high?
Yes, it makes it taste nicer. 24 pages of goodness. I signed my book contract, sweetheart.
Congrats, honey.
Woohoo! How exciting. This feels so weird, Bubby. Because this begins, like, I could start at any moment then. Goodbye, book contract. Hope you arrive safely. Just had the crack for my second book. Just signed the contract for my second book. Hey, 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 hey. Just signed the contract for my second book. Just signed the contract for my second book. Hey, 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 hey. Just signed the contract for my second book. Just signed the contract for my second book. Hey, 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 hey. Just signed the contract for my second book. Can we do this every time, honey? Every year?
Yeah.
Just
As long as you can write such creative lyrics every time, honey.
Just signed the contract for my second book. Just signed the contract for my second book. Hey, hey,